Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchase. All these cards come from an European seller. Let's go. First card, shout out to Brian Burr 34. It's a great guy, it's a great channel, very entertaining video, and he's a big fan of Walter Payton. That it's great to get this card to my collection. It's a Topps 1986. Okay, second card, another nice player. It's a Steve Young card. I love this card. Very happy with those two acquisition. That is great. Next, it's some auto. I hope it's a real auto. It's Chris Hamburger. It's a Hall of Fame. I before to buy this card, I didn't know this guy, but he must to be very good. He was a linebacker for the Redskins. It's nice. That it's auto of Mark Rippen. I'm very happy to succeed to buy this, to purchase this, because Mark Rippen is one of my Rippen. It was my favorite quarterback. That it's very happy. I think he is senior in the past year, but I don't know. It's now he is senior again. Another great player, Jim Otto. I think in this moment he charged for $5. It's quite cheap for a great player, but I haven't got some US dollar banknote that I'm very happy to buy this. Okay, next. Now it's some Topps 1977 checklist. Dave Beverly, Lindike. Oh, they are stuck. Steve Odom, Johnny Gray, Mike McCoy, Perry Smith. I love those cards about the looking. Fred Carr, Rich McGeorge, Larry McCarren, Carlos Brown, Will Harrell, Jim Carter, John Brockington, Ken Payne, Eric Torkelson, and Willie Buchanan. Nice. That is some nice card. That is some Topps 75. Love those two cards. Very colorful, and I love the card of Bob Gibson. That is the looking of this card is great, and very happy to get those cards. That it's nice. That it's a Topps 1972. Great. Staubach, Greg Landry, and Kill Kelmer about the passing. That it's sweet. Now it's some Topps 1971. Willie Woods, Gail Gilligan, Wayne Hall of Fame. That is great. Donnie Anderson, Ken Ellis, Larry Croze, Mac McCoy, Ziki Bratkowski, and Lionel Aldridge. That it's nice. Now it's about baseball. It's some Topps 1970. Great card with some great players. Tom Seaver, Phil Necro, Fergie Jenkins, and Juan Marichal. That it's a very sweet card. Tom Seaver, love this card, very nice. And another in the same set of Tom Seaver, win opener about the National League playoff game #1. That is great. Move on. That is some football Topps 1969. Mel Renfro, great secondary player. Mitigan off. Sorry, I don't know a lot about this player. Fred Biletnikov, legendary player. Willie Woods. Love also this pink color, this purple color. Even it's not really not the same color with the Green Bay uniform, but not too bad. Jim Otto, great. Except this player, I don't know another football player who wear or wore the number 00 on the field, but it's funny. Why not? And Ray Nitschke, that is great. Now it's Hall of Fame. Don Maynard, love this card. It's must to be tops 1967. 1967, yes, like this card. Look on the back, that it's nice. Sometimes I don't show you the back of that it's about the tops 1969. Okay, nice. That it's about the Philadelphia 67. Bob Brown. It's very funny because it's a Philadelphia card, and the player it's a Philadelphia Eagles. We'll show you also the back of the card. Okay, less interesting the back than that. It's nice. That it's about also Philadelphia card must to be 65. Jim Marshall, great player. Bobby Mitchell. I will show you maybe the back of the card too. Okay, that it's nice. Forrest Gregg, love this card. Jim Johnson, that is sweet. Now it's a card that it's Doug Atkins, but Doug Atkins I don't know really. Must to be tops 60. That it's great. Oh yes, of course, I remember the looking. Yes, it's top 60. That is great. Doug Atkins. That it's a rookie card of Owens. No, I'm joking, but it's right. RC Owens. That it's must to be a tops. This card must to be a tops 1959. And that it's very funny because you see the logo of the 49ers and it looks to be a cowboy with some gun. Don't know if you see well the logo. A cowboy with two guns, or maybe a gold miner, but okay, that's sweet. That it's I'm very happy about this card. It's a Whitney Ford. It's my first card. I really pay a few bucks for this card, very cheap, but okay, it's not in perfect condition, but I love this card because I like a lot the Yankee, and my favorite jersey number is 16, and this was a famous player that I'm very happy, very happy to grab this. Whitney Herzog must to be tops 1959. Another great card of this set, loves this pink color. It's a Kalin and Maxwell, that is great. And now I will show you my favorite card, football tops 58. Oh, love about the looking and it's really some piece of art and very okay. The back is less interesting, but this really some very sweet card. Ed Brown, love this card too. Hugh McElhenney. Oh, I will just use all the color on that. It's crazy nice. I love those cards. That is great. Shout out to Terry for TG Mac vintage card because I love to watch this channel. He's very a great guy. I learned a lot about watching this video. And okay, that is some Bowman. It's a Joe Perry. Love this card. That it's I love the Bowman 55. That's some really crazy card. Bobby Lane. That it's a very sweet card. Of course, it's not mild condition, but I will not complain because it's quite difficult to find. Not quite difficult, but it's quite old card. Maurice Bassett for the Cleveland Brown. Love this. I love the looking of this card. Frank Gatsky, I think it's a rookie card of the player, and I love the pose of the player and the halo white. That's really amazing. I will show you the back of the card. Okay, I like the back of those cards. Frank Gatsky, great. Move on, another brand, George Waterman. You were my favorite number jersey, 16. Len Ford, that is great. On my last card, it's a baseball Bowman 9050. I'm quite impressive about this card because when we look on the face like this, look to be a reprint card because the card look in so mild condition and the color is so beautiful. But when you look the back, this card looks really a real card. I am very happy to add to my collection because this card looked really nearly in mine condition, in very good condition, and that it's very impressive the color about this. Thank you for watching. All the best. Happy collecting. Bye bye.